Welcome again to Budget with Brian. In my Christmas special, I showed you one of my super duper gifts. Look at it, an Irwin Auger bit set. These are stubbies, and believe me, they can take some punishment. They're designed that if they hit a nail or a screw, it won't kill you at all. I like tools that don't get killed when I hit a nail because I do it too often. Here's one that's seen some life. And if you look at the tip of that, that is going to cut through wood all day. And that, believe me, is hit a couple of nails. I don't exactly love it, but hey, it did me a power of good when I did it. And I got the job finished. So it's got to be good, hasn't it? So, the Irwin Auger bits, I think I can recommend, personally. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe.